Sometimes when you connect to a database and pull in data from a server into a table, you don't fully know the quality of the data, and that can cause problems in Power BI. A couple of examples of these problems might be a letter in a column full of numbers, or just a bunch of blank values in a column that should always be populated. Power Query has a few data profiling tools to help you catch these scenarios. Welcome back to our video series on Power BI Basics, where we're teaching you how to use Power BI from the ground up, with short, easy-follow tutorials we release daily. Today we're going to be taking a look at the data profiling tools in Power Query. First, we have to turn them on. So, I'm in Power Query right now. You can get to Power Query by either clicking the three dots here at the table and then selecting Edit Query, or on your Home tab, clicking Transform Data. That's going to pop open Power Query. Here we have our data from our previous video, and in this case I'm going to want to start to profile it. So I'm going to turn on the column profiling tools. They're right over here. I'm going to turn on column distribution, column profile, and column quality. Once these are on, you're going to see these visuals start to turn on. Right now, I'm going to turn them all off except for column quality. Column quality is this bar at the top, and what it's going to do is it's going to split the data into 5 categories. Valid, it'll classify as kind of this bluish green, error, which will be in red, empty, which will be shown in a gray, unknown with a dashed green, and then unexpected error, which will be shown in a dashed red. If you roll over it, you'll then be able to click these 3 dots and then apply some additional filters or steps using Power Query. Now let's take a look at column distribution. Column distribution shows you how many distinct values you have and then how many unique values you have. You can click here to remove duplicates, or once again, you can click the 3 dots to apply some additional criteria. Finally, column profile allows you to actually look at the values and filter it down. It'll give you some of the information about the data distribution, but if you were to click on one of these, you could then, if we go here and then here to these 3 dots, actually apply a filter to the data. And that's it. Data profiling with Power Query is easy. If you're interested in learning more about Power BI, please subscribe. We're currently releasing a new video tutorial on Power BI every day, and we'd be happy to have you along for the journey.